Hey, it's Shay here, and my guess is by you clicking on my video here, you are looking for ways to make money online. This is something that I help my students with every single day, and I'm willing to show anybody who is truly serious what it really takes to make real income online. So again, in this video, I just want to show you actually 3 different networks that I use to make money online, and showing you a campaign that I started just a few days ago, and I also just showed my students, and they were really psyched up about it and really motivated, and that in itself is actually why I really like doing these kinds of videos. Now, I mean, for my students, I showed the inner workings of these campaigns and how I'm driving traffic, my traffic sources, and everything they have to do to set up and basically copy exactly what I do. But I've been able to help thousands of students in the past, and I know if this is you, if you are somebody who is trying again to make money online, I know I can help you as well. Maybe you are already making a bit of money online and you're trying to get to that next level. I can show you what I'm doing, and in fact I want to just jump in right now to one of the networks that I use. This is the first one, and I'm going to show you 3. This is the exact same campaign that I just showed my students just a day ago or so, and I want to show you right now in this video. I'm just going to show you the earnings, the results and the reports right here of 3 of the networks, and I'm basically spreading out my traffic amongst these 3, and you'll see what I mean in just a second. So check this out. So it's May right now, and I started it just a few days ago on the 8th, and today is the 11th of May, and today so far in just this one network out of the 3 I'm going to show you, we've done $124.54 so far. So that's that one. Again, that's the first network. Now I'm just going to jump over to the next network I want to show you. So in this one, I'm actually just going to look at these offers right here. So these are offers in a network, and this is all part of the exact same campaign that I just showed you. And I'll just expand these out so you can see the dates as well. Okay, so we're working again with the same dates here, the 11th of May up to today. Started on the 8th. So as you can see, this one was doing really well actually. I pushed a bit more traffic to this one because it was converting higher. The previous network that I showed you wasn't converting quite as high, but the clicks were paying higher. And if I didn't make that obvious just before, I'm actually getting paid for generating clicks. Alright, so I'm not generating leads, I'm not making full sales or anything like that. I'm making money by generating the click. And by the click, I mean the click that comes before generating the lead or the sale. So that's where I'm actually making my money. And of course, all of my students know about these networks, and they do the same thing. They make money by generating clicks as well. And let me just tell you as well, it's incredibly easy to make money online when you are making money by generating clicks. There's just nothing like it. So if you've never heard of that method before, well, I'm super happy that I've been able to tell you and introduce you to it right now, of course. But experiencing it and running campaigns that make you money by just generating clicks is like nothing else. So that's the second network, running the same campaigns with the same traffic source on the same dates. Alright, so I'm just going to go to the third network right now. And again, you can see the same date range again. This is using the exact same traffic source. So what I actually do, again, if I didn't say before, I split up the same traffic source amongst multiple networks. That's what I actually do. And I basically just use a really basic link rotator to either evenly spread out the traffic, or I can put on different percentages to different networks. So, you know, different networks get a certain amount of traffic each. One network, for example, may get 50% of the traffic, and then the other 2 networks might get 25% each. And this is again part of everything that I teach my students every single day. So you can see in this one, this network's actually paying the highest at $6.16 amongst these 3 networks that I've shown you right now. And because of that, as you can see, barely any traffic has actually been generated. And that's a really cool thing about getting paid with clicks. But most importantly, it's really cool getting paid for clicks when you are getting paid a decent amount per click. So that's the really important thing. So with this EPC, earnings per click, you know, I'm actually getting on the 10th, just yesterday, I was getting $6.30 per these 14 clicks. And as you can see, that made $88.20. And that's really how clear and simple it is to make money by generating clicks. And you know what? I am willing to show you what I do to do this and to run these make money online campaigns with generating clicks. But this is something that I hold close within my own circle and for my students only. So again, I'm opening this up for a really short amount of time, and if you are truly serious about learning how I'm generating this kind of money, I mean just amongst these 3 networks right here, I only just started this campaign from scratch to show my students again that it's possible. They can make money from scratch with me helping them. Because, you know, I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this for many years now. I know I can help you do the same, but my point is I'm only willing to help you if you are truly serious. So, if you believe you are, and you also want to learn how to create campaigns from scratch just like this, and make an average of, you know, $300 plus a day created in just a few days here, I can show you what I'm doing, but only if you take action right now. And to do that, just click the link at the top of the description. So do that right now. Click the link in the description. I'll have a bit.ly link, just a really short link so you can jump over to my site. And that link will be right at the top of the description. So click that again. As soon as you land on my site right here, all you have to do then is enter in your best email address right there in the field. Then click the Get Instant Access button there. Then I'm going to introduce you to the next page, which is going to have a bunch of resources to get you started right now today. And there's just one last important thing to do, and that is to check your email address. Okay, so go check your inbox. Look for my welcome email, because that is also going to have a bunch of secret information that I usually only keep private for my students. It's going to get you started right now today, so go do that now. Get these few things done right now, and I'll see you in the next video when you open up my welcome email. So go do that. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll work with you soon.